Hey, what's going on guys? It's Sleepy here and welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get your chat to pop up on your YouTube stream without using the pop-out chat feature. Kind of like this right here. You can't see my mouse, but it's like the pop-out chat just like that. This is actually from my stream that I just did a couple days ago. So, we're going to jump in and I'll show you how to do that. Give me one sec. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the internet, whatever browser you use. I use Chrome. And then you want to go to streamlabs.com, and then if you haven't done it already, you want to connect your account. And I connected my YouTube account because that's where most of my fan base is, and I stream mostly on YouTube. I tried Twitch a couple times, but it didn't work. But anyway, so you connect your account, and then you go to. I'm already there, but I'm gonna do it again. You go to all widgets, chat box, and you can select the theme if you really want to, like a chat box theme. I just went down here and did it down here, just a basic theme. These are like, I think this gives you more than just the chat box. I think this gives you like an entire like screen layout. I haven't messed with that too much yet, but you can do theme, you can do clean, box, Twitch, old school, and chunky. They all look a little different. Like old school obviously is gonna look like old school games. Clean was more my first choice, but I thought Twitch. Twitch was just I don't know, the most basic one. And then you can choose your background color and or just only one of them has a background, which was box. So I mean, if you don't pick box, you don't need a background color. So then you got text color, which was white. You got to play around with that. Depends on what game you're playing. And then you gotta mess around with the font size as well. When I first did it, my font size was way down here, like 20 something, so it was pretty tiny. And then go down, chat delay. I like mine at 0 seconds. I like to see it as fast as possible. Fun fact: this actually, when you have this in your stream, this pops up faster than a YouTube chat does. So you can disable message animations if you want, bots if you have any, and then you can hide the commands if you want as well. I like to see everything that's going on while I'm trying to play, so that's good. Then you hit save settings, and I've already done that. I'm not going to save these settings because I like the settings I have. And then you want to go up here, you want to click copy. You need to click copy, okay? So then when you're done there, you can close your browser. And then I'll bring my OBS over. I stream off OBS. If you stream off Streamlabs, I do believe Streamlabs has its own setup. You can just do it right off of in there. I think it's a built-in widget, if I remember correctly. But for OBS, you want to right-click. You want to click Add Browser. You could name it, like you can see mine right down over the top, it says chat. I'll just name it browser, and then it'll pop up. You want to paste it in here. You want to paste it in here. You can change the width if you want. I just did 600 by 600. You can also mess with it, like see that little red box right there. You can also drag and fix it as you want, and then mess with these if you want. You can also mess with the CSS if you really want to. And then you hit OK. I'm going to hit cancel because I don't want to put that in there. And I'm also going to delete it right now. But yeah, that's actually literally all you have to do. Once you start streaming, messages, when they get sent, they will pop up in your chat. So I really hope that helped. If it helped, a like would be awesome. A subscription would be fantastic. If you hear from if you hear from like a Google search or something, checking out my other videos would be fantastic. But until the next video, guys, this is Sleepy, and I'll see you later. Peace.